Now we use chain rule. Let y is equal to function of u, where u is equal to g of x. Then the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equals dy by du into du by dx. For example, here the function is y is equal to root of 1 plus x square. We want to find the derivative of the function. Now we write y as y is equal to root u, where u is equal to 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of y with respect to u? Here the variable is u. So we dy by du. With respect to u, we differentiate y. We get 1 by 2 root u. Derivative of root u is 1 by 2 root u. Here u is equal to 1 plus x square. That is u is a function of x. So what is du by dx? That is equal to derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x. So its derivative is 2x. Then what is dy by dx? We want to find the derivative of y. That is we want to find dy by dx. By the equation using chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is, what is dy by du? 1 by 2 root u into du by dx is 2x. 2 cancels. X by root u. What is u? U is 1 plus x square. So root of 1 plus x square. It is our dy by dx. Find the derivative of sine 2x. That is y is equal to sine u, where u is equal to 2x. Then what is dy by dx? dy by du. dy by du is cos u. And what is du by dx? Du by dx is equal to 2. Derivative of 2x is 2. Then dy by dx equals, by chain rule, it is dy by du into du by dx. That is equal to cos u into 2, or it is 2 cos u. What is u? U is 2x. So answer is 2 cos 2x. Now we discuss the parametric form. Okay, that is a function y is given in its parametric form. That is, y is equal to a function of t and x is equal to a function of t are given. Then what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. In this problem, y is equal to e raised to t plus cos t and x is equal to log t plus sin t. Then what is dy by dt? Differentiating this y with respect to t. Derivative of e raised to t is e raised to t itself, plus derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Here dx by dt, differentiate x with respect to t. What's the derivative of log t? It is 1 by t, plus derivative of sin t, cos t. Therefore, dy by dx by the formula it is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? That is e raised to t minus sin t divided by dx by dt is 1 by t plus cos t. So, this is dy by dx. Next problem, y is equal to a sin theta and x is equal to a cos theta. Find dy by dx. That is dy by d theta, that is a cos theta. Here y is equal to a sin theta. So dy by d theta. Here the variable is theta, not t. So dy by d theta is equal to a cos theta. x is equal to a cos theta. What is dx by d theta? That is constant into cos, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay. So dy by dx equals, here it is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That is equal to a cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. Minus a cancels, then cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Here is negative, so negative cot theta. So dy by dx is negative cot theta, and where theta is equal to, what is theta? Theta is y by a sin inverse y by n. Okay, no problem. Dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta. So the value is dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta.